Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all fine and safe. I am Mrs. Rani, Maths teacher. Before getting to the topic, I would like to insist every one of you to be safe by following hand washing techniques, social distancing and always wear mask and while going out. Okay, use this quarantine days usefully children. Please always don't waste your time watching TV and before your games or doing unwanted things, troubling your parents. Please understand. I know this is more than 100 days. We are in the lockdown period. We all feel bored, but be thankful and always think about your parents. They will be more stressful than you. Okay, so please help them in their daily routine works. Simple works you can help them so that you will be feeling so happy and they also can join with you while playing. Okay, yes, very good. Okay, with this note we are going to start today's topic. In geometry we are going to learn plane surfaces and curved surfaces. Okay, this is what today's topic. In last two classes we have learned about 2D shapes and 3D shapes, isn't it? Hope you all understood that concept. Okay, this plane surfaces and curved surfaces, nothing but plane surfaces, nothing but the flat surfaces. If you see table, top of the table and the wall, floors, paper, okay. Otherwise, if you have seen the 3D shapes, what we have used, isn't it? This 3D shapes, you can see this is the top, it's flat, isn't it? It having the flat face, isn't it? This is only called as a plane surface. Okay, plane. Okay, plane means flat surface. Okay, children. Yes, when we are talking about curved surfaces nothing but it will have a curve like a structure. Okay, this face will be curved. Okay, not flat. So that is example for curved surfaces, nothing but a ball, flower case, pot, and cone, cylinder, sphere. Okay, all these curved surfaces. Okay, these are the curved surfaces. Example for curved surfaces. Yes. Okay, in the curved surfaces we have many other objects like the daily routine. We can see vegetables, fruits. Okay, even in your house you can see many things. Okay, the kitchen utensils. Okay, mostly it will be having the curved surfaces, isn't it? All this cooking pan, all those things, no, it will be like a curved surfaces. So these topics only we are going to see. Last two class with the geometry, 2D shapes and 3D shapes. With this topic we are going to complete the geometry. Okay. Before going to this, I think you all understood the plane surfaces and curved surfaces, isn't it? Okay, this too just a definition only we are going to learn in this, and we are going to the topic of revision and all the three subjects. Okay, all three topics, that is 2D shapes, 3D shapes and plane and curved surfaces. Okay, I have made a tabular columns for learning 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Okay, I think this will be better option to revise all the shapes. Nearly all these properties are covered in this, isn't it? Okay, first we are going to see the figure. What shape is this, children? What is this shape? Rectangle, isn't it? Rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. You know that, isn't it? In the rectangle, how many sides are there? 4 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? 4 sides. And how many corners are there? 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many number of diagonals? The corners where the joining of this two corners only called as a diagonals, isn't it? So when you are joining this one corner to this one, this will be one diagonal and this will be two diagonals. So number of diagonals are 2. And same thing, just like in the square also will be the same, but in the square only one difference is all the 4 sides are equal. Okay, so when you are seeing the square, 4 sides will be there, 4 corners and 2 diagonal, just like this rectangle. Okay, no difference between these two in this properties. Okay, yes. Next is triangle. Triangle having 3 sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3. Yes. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. So there is no diagonals in triangle. And as well as last one is circle. Circle, there is no sides, no corners and no diagonals. It's having only one center point, isn't it? Yes. This is second tabular column. Complete the following table by filling the properties of 3D shapes. Just like 2D shapes how we are completed now, the 3D shapes we are going to complete in this. Okay. So we have, what shape is this, children? Cube. And this is cuboid. And this one is sphere. Isn't it? Okay, good. First we are going to draw these shapes and then we are going to name it. Okay. So learn the spelling for cube, cuboid, sphere also. Okay, yes. And number of faces. How many faces it's having? It's having 6 faces, isn't it? And number of edges, 12 edges. This cone is only called as a edges. I have taught you this, isn't it? And number of vertices are 8. The cone is where the edges is meeting the point is called as a vertices, isn't it? So, these are number of vertices are 8. Next is cuboid. It having 6 faces and 12 edges, okay, the corners, edges, and 8 vertices. Cube and cuboid are just like the same. The vertices are nothing but the corners where it meets, okay. This is only called as a vertices, okay, children. Yes. Last one is sphere. Sphere having only one face, isn't it? Only one face. There is no edges, no vertices, isn't it? Okay, finally we have fill in the blanks. Okay, solid shapes have 3 dimensions. Okay, it's having 3 dimensions, namely breadth, length, and height, isn't it? So that's why we are telling it's a 3D shape, isn't it? 3D. 3D shape means 3 dimensions. Okay. Okay. Next is a pot is an example of curved surface. Okay, this is an example. Okay, for curved surfaces we have written one example. A cube is a solid shape made of squares. Okay, squares making the cube, isn't it? If it is in the cuboid, rectangles, isn't it? Okay, yes, good. Next, fourth one, flat surfaces are called as plane surfaces. Okay, flat surfaces means plane surfaces. A cuboid is a solid shape made up of rectangles. Cuboid means rectangles. Cube means squares. Anything can be come as a fill in the blanks. It doesn't mean only you have given this as a fill up and you are not asked this one. No, you should not ask like that. Okay, when you are learning the objectives, understand what it is. Okay, what point is this, and then learn and memorize. Okay, children. Okay, hope you all understood today's topic. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, children. This 2 tabular columns, and this fill up only I'm going to give you as a homework. Okay, please note down and write it very neatly. Thank you.